Time then to chat with Manisha Gupta, commodities editor, to give you a sense of what's happening as far as commodities go. Manisha, hi, morning. What sort of trade are we seeing here, especially ahead of those minutes from FOMC later in the day?
Well, Megha, that is something all the asset class really are watching out for. And while the volumes are slightly on the lower side, you also have seen very unsure moves coming in from the commodity traders too. Look at the gold prices. We have seen levels of 1746 on them yesterday, just about holding 1730 right now. Also for crude prices, you have seen some declines coming in. The inventories have been higher. The supplies also higher, as the OPEC has been telling you. So if the US stimulus does not come in today, you would be looking at a strong crash coming in from all of those commodities. But as of now, looking at the dollar index, the hopes are quite high, and that's the reason you have seen that build-up happen also in the commodity markets in the recent few weeks ahead of those FOMC data today coming in the evening. Same has been the case with the base metal prices also. Copper prices did touch a fresh 4-month highs of 8170 yesterday, but 8000 is just about holding, or 8100 near that is how it's trading in the Asian markets right now. So slightly unsure ahead of the FOMC meeting today. Markets expectations are quite on the higher side. What kind of a bond buying program do you get in the evening is something that the markets are awaiting. Let's get in our guest then, and Hitesh Jain joins us live from IIFL in Mumbai right now. Hitesh, hi, welcome to the show. What's the mood in the markets, especially going forward for the base metal prices today?
See, Manisha, there is a subtle element of jitters in regard with the much anticipated the Fed event. And considering the recent spurt in across the commodity complex, we expect most of the commodities to pair gains before the policy statement sets in. So we would like to short commodities on an intraday basis before the event itself. We would like to sell crude September contract at 5400 with a target of 5320 and a stop loss of 5450. We would like to sell copper November contract. That is, we would like to sell at 455 with a target of 450 and a stop loss of 458.
All right, Hitesh, thank you so much for joining us. So 2 sell calls coming in for commodities from IIFL, both on crude as well as copper as well, ahead of that FOMC meeting today. With that, it's back to you, Avan.